You can see Apple, how it starts off the day. All right, the yellow is pre-market. You see this buy order block right in here? Okay, so you put your entry right in here. If you took that first big green candle, you put your stop underneath that buy order block or the low of the day, and you extend this up and see how far you need to go to get 2 to 1. So we got possibly a little bit more to go on this one. Look at the volume right there. See that? So this is probably going to keep going. Let me see if we've got another good example. Google was pretty good today. Google, check out the buy order blocks on this one. Right there at the open, you see that? Yeah, I'll get that for you. Yeah, you need to have a trading view account. So you take the entry, the first candle, first one of these first candles. All right, so you're up here at the highs. Okay, so you made about 3.5, 4 to 1 so far today. It's starting to taper off though. This time of day, you're probably looking at profit taking. So Google, I'd be taking profits off. And it's Friday. Friday is generally a little bit slower anyway. So Netflix, yeah, Netflix is probably going to do that. It's probably going to give you a BNC pivot. Okay, so it's going to look like that, right? So, so it would need to move back above super trend right there. But it's a Friday, so I wouldn't be doing too much on a Friday. It's Friday. You don't know what day it is? Yeah, Monday. Yeah, right now, this time of day, we're just waiting to see what happens next, if we get any kind of BNC pivots. If you see Netflix, also check the volume. And also remember TTM. TTM's red. Yeah. So that would need to turn up and volume need to pick up. But since it's up so much today already, it's probably going to go right here, though. That's very interesting. You know what? I already got some Netflix here. So maybe a 0-day setup. Options for today. Netflix. Oh, these are pretty expensive. Oh, that's S&P. Never mind. Netflix. Let's see how far this goes. 20 deltas are at 1205. Oh, those are probably going to go. I'm going to buy a couple of these here. These 20 deltas, a little bit out of the money, but looks like we're going to go. Start pushing higher. Netflix is on the move. Let's see how far this goes. Netflix looking for a follow through. Netflix. Okay, you got a buy order block. We went right through that sell order block. Antoine, come see this. All right, so you see what you just looked at? Okay, so we're just looking for the volume to pick up. This is a 1-minute chart. So if you were to enter this right here, put a stop underneath that buy order block right there, right? See that buy order block? And if we made it back to the high of the day, yeah, that's a buy order block. This is a sell order block. We just went right through that sell order block. That's resistance. So it's going to take off. It looks like, yeah. So that was a good call so far. We'll see what this does. Okay, TTM turning up. Just need to see volume. So there's not much volume on this right here. So this is subject to failure, only because there's no volume. See the volume over here? This tried to go. So we're just watching this for now. Look at Apple, still going. Mm-hmm. All right, watching Netflix for potential follow through. All right, S&P continues to rally up.
Finding out what that is, Ali. Good to see you. Thanks for joining us. That's it for Market Catalyst. I'm Julie. Have a fantastic.
Well, I'll put more money in your account. Well, you cut the grass and everything, right? So you still got to do that. The grass is wet. You don't want to do it when it's wet. Okay, so I'll go ahead and put some money in your account, okay? Apple smoking. Holy smokes. Still going. And you see these boxes right there? Those are fair value gaps. That's telling you what happens there. Did I tell you that before? What happens there is there's so many orders right here that don't get filled because it moves so fast. So these orders aren't filled. The possibility of it coming back are higher, but the fact that this is moving so fast, people can see how it's coming back. Yep, exactly. Yeah. So I'll get you a subscription to TradingView and this Vital Blocks. It'll help you out a lot. Okay, see Netflix, how it's turning? You see how it turned right there? Turned green just now? Okay, Netflix. Yeah, I took a trade here. Yeah, Netflix. Still going. Okay, so look at the buy order block. Boom, boom. See that? Those buy order blocks are telling, okay, this one's turning off and on. But if this one fills and it moves a bit higher, look at the Bollinger Bands opening up. TTM, yellow over there on the daily. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Netflix on the move. Antoine, nice trade set up there. Netflix. Flows are still have these calls on Netflix. They're going. Netflix flows are rising. Sounds crazy because the stock's close to 580. Netflix is going. There goes Netflix. Here goes Netflix. On the move, Netflix. Elon Musk posts yesterday on X. Real-time trade with my son, Netflix. That was in response to Satya Nadella. Nice move there. Wow, look at Netflix go, Antoine. There as well. Okay, I took some Netflix off just now that I was trading when my son came in. Let's see. Okay, so I just gave my son a bonus. He looked at Netflix. He liked it. I explained the ABCD pivot to him. Showed him the chart. I showed him the setup. Okay, it was right in here. So his trade worked. Congrats there, Antoine. Your trade worked, buddy. Okay, Netflix still going. Netflix still going. Looks like it's going to rip here. Netflix. Woohoo. Nice job, Netflix. All right, Netflix still going. Apple. Jesus, look at Apple. Holy smokes. Apple's just crushing it. Wow. Okay, note the buy order blocks, okay? Apple, note the buy order blocks. Holy smokes. Crushing it today, Apple. Okay, just feels like something's going on here. I almost want to buy some just to have it for next week, just in case they announce something. We're at the high of the day. I can't do it, but geez, this is so impressive. Apple breaking out. I'm going to go with this. How do you explain what's happening in the restaurants and some retail names? Beautiful. Beautiful. Still going. Netflix, Apple. Beautiful. All right, Netflix is breaking out. Netflix is breaking out there, Antoine. Thank you for that setup. My son. Okay, looks good. Right back up to the highs. Okay. So that was a great entry. Okay. Jesus, Apple. What the hell is going on with Apple? Unbelievable. This is crazy. I left so much money on the table, I'm like kicking myself. It's a good thing the cats aren't in the room. It's like they got something going and they know it. They know something's about to happen, looks like. I'm so proud of my son. He took one look at this chart and said, you know, this looks like it's about to turn. He looked at TTM, as well as, and then I explained to him how this buyer blocks work. Got a big grin on his face, like he just learned something new, which he did. Good job there, Antoine. Stop. Easy. NFLX. What a beautiful move on NFLX. Okay, it's still pushing though. NFLX.